Hi everybody, Valery is here. Today we are going to learn how to say something in Russian. Before we will start, you have to watch any vocabulary videos and remember some words. And we get started. First part of this lesson is studying words like what, who, this or it. In Russian it will be что, кто, это. And guys, I highly recommend to take a notebook and write new words down to remember that better. Кто and что. Did you remember? Who and what. And это in Russian means it or this. First phrases. Let's take random words. Let it be машина. What means a car? And if I say это машина, what will it mean? Right, it's a car. Это машина. It's a car. Это машина. As you could see, in Russian we don't use verb to be, because it doesn't exist in our language. The next phrase, что это? What does this phrase mean? Yeah, что это means what's this or what is it? Now you know how to ask and respond. Let's practice. Before I want to say that sometimes people change some sounds in words and pronounce them not very clear. And we don't say что, we say что. Now repeat after me. Что это? Это машина. Что это? Это сок. Что это? Это дом. Что это? Это папа. Is it right? Think a bit more. What do we need to change? Maybe question word? Of course. The correct question is кто это? Это папа. Кто это? Это папа. Кто это? Это Майкл. Кто это? Это Джейд. And now practice by yourself. Left your examples in comments below this video. Next thing, what you need to know. How to build question, like for example, is it a car? As you already know, we don't have help verbs in Russian, that's why we use intonation to say, is it a car? Listen. Это машина. And это машина? Again. Это машина. Это машина? Папа инженер. Папа инженер? Это сок. Это сок? Next. What if I say in Russian да and нет? I think you guessed these words. They mean yes and no. If you don't know these words, then stop the video and write everything down in your notebook. And let's make few short dialogues. Это Наташа? Нет, это Катя. Катя инженер? Да, Катя инженер. Это машина? Нет, это мотоцикл. Кто это? Это Петр? Да, это Петр. Петр пилот? Нет, Петр водитель. Что это? Это чай. Это дом? Да, это дом. Let's summarize the lesson. Кто? Who? Что? What? Это? It or this? And use a question word if you want to give an open-ended question. And use an intonation to give a closed-ended question in Russian. And practice more. That's all for today. Пока-пока! Do you want to speed up your progress of learning Russian? Click the link in the description to my website. There you can find a bunch of useful materials and book lesson or speaking session with me or other tutors. Try a lesson for free.